Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear student, here today we are going to take a revision about once again the grammar part, that is abbreviation. We already completed this grammar part. Okay, abbreviation means short form. Okay, we are using short form sometimes writing some things, yes or no. So it is called as abbreviation. Here in this video some rules are there, how to use, where to use and where to not to use. Okay, so we have to see this video, we have to learn, we can get extra information how to use abbreviation and where to use abbreviation. Let's see one by one. So here rules of abbreviation. So first we have to see that what is abbreviation. So abbreviations are shortened form of the word or phrase. You know that it is the shortest form of the verb or phrase. Yes. Next, see here. So these some rules are there while using the abbreviation. What are they? We have to see in detail. First rule, when introducing an abbreviation for the first time, place it is parenthesis after the spelled out term. Thereafter the abbreviation may be used alone. So sometimes where do we have to use, sometimes we have to introduce something, that time we are using the abbreviation, that is alone. So how? See here, the California State University, CICO, this here. So here they use full form, but here the shortest form, like each capital, each first letter of each word is capital here. So California C, then state S, university U, and here C. So these are like that. Rules means what? When we want to introduce something first time, the place or what, so we have to write it like that. Second rule, what is that? See, abbreviation, the names of the familiar institution. Familiar institution, there are some institutions and even countries, tests, here see diseases, even diplomas, individuals and object or term. So here abbreviation, suppose we want to explain something, institution name, country, even some taste, even some diseases. Okay, so for that also we are using abbreviation like that. See here TV, television, okay, FBI, ATM, USA, this PC, this SEC and CI, then CIA, like that we have to use this. Next, see, third rule. What is the third rule? Abbreviate abbreviate courtesy, titles and personal titles. Abbreviate academic and professional titles only when they follow a name or when they are used with the full name or initials and the last name. Use a comma or dot before and after the abbreviation in a sentence except with the abbreviations. Like we already learned about this. Okay, so personal title. Suppose we want to give the personal title like doctor, like a Mr. That time you just go for this whole detail. Only just listen it and you just make it clear that how to use it. So your personal title when we want to give, just we have to use like that. See here, Mr. MR dot MS. Then doctor is here, Dr. dot, then MD, then professional soil, like a professor. Okay, so like that we have to PROF, prof. Here see, she went to Dr. Smith yesterday, she went to doctor yesterday. So here you can write like that, you can write like that also. So when we are using this personal title, we are using like that. Next, fourth one, see, use the abbreviation BC and AD without periods to indicate dates. BC always follow the year, but AD may follow or precede the year. So here you know that for antique Greek periods we are using this 400 BC, 400 AD. Yes, so like that we are using these abbreviations. So here usually BC. Okay, so British we can use that, British, and here Anno Domini. Yes, so these for we use the BC and AD. AD means Anno Domini. Okay, so here see, next, abbreviation months and days of the week only when they are part of a full date or in a chart where space is limited. So suppose where space is limited, that time we are writing this type of abbreviation. See here December 16 you can use like that, December DC.16 and 1963. Even Monday comma June 3. So you can use like that, Monday dot June 3 comma 1999. So like that you can use the abbreviation. Next, use of abbreviation for clock time. Suppose you want to show or mention the time, we are using this abbreviation. Use capital letters and periods. Capital letters and no periods, or lowercase letters and period. Just be consistent. Okay. See here, do not abbreviate the clock time when no number is attached to the abbreviation. So here, see here, suppose we want to show the time here, 7:30 am. So here am and pm I already taught you. Am means what I told you? Yes, am means what? Antemeridiem, and pm means postmeridiem. So here we are using this abbreviation like a dot m dot. Okay. Next, see, use abbreviations without period for the time zone. Sometimes without period we have to use this time. So EST, I already told you, Eastern Standard Time Zone. Okay, even MAST, Mountain Standard Time Zone, PDT, Pacific Daylight Time Zone. So each time zone without giving a period, AM, PM, sometimes we are not using, we are using the time zone like short form EST, MST or PDT. Got it? Next. Measurement should be spelled out, not abbreviated, except in table and chart. Sometimes in table and chart, see here, we have to measurement, how we are writing it. See, we can't write iron in inches, we have to write measurement. So here it is rule. Abbreviation is not considered here as a inch. If we want to write, we can't use short form IN in. We have to write it full, inches. Even miles per hour means mph we can't write. Only we have to write directly miles per hour. Okay, for inches also measurement, here they told we should not be spelled out, not abbreviated. So here we can't use abbreviation. Got it? We have to write it full. So this is the correct. But here if you use IN dot, no, it is not correct. Even MPH you use here, no, it is not correct. So compulsory you have to write miles per hour, or otherwise inches. Next. The word number may be abbreviated when it is followed by figure, otherwise spelled it out. Suppose if it is a figure, then you have to see here the number I want in 65. So here directly you can use NO.65 directly. This is the correct. So this is abbreviation. You cannot necessary to write a number, NUMBR number and 65. Directly NO.65 you can use for a number. Next, use abbreviations for some countries' names on envelopes and in the inside the address of a letter, generally spelled out of the full state name in the text. Street address can be either be abbreviated or spelled out in the text. When indicating directions, before a street name spelled out north, south, east and west. So however, compound directions after a street name may be abbreviated like CN.W, S.W, north, west, south, west. Okay, so here you can give the short form, you can write the abbreviation for showing the street name, even number, house number, yes or no, country's name, you can write like that. See, the meeting will be held at N.W 1212 R Street, here see California. So here like that you can use Sacramento, California. So you can use the short form NW and all. Next, use the periods in the most abbreviation that contain lowercase letter. Lowercase letters sometimes we are using it. See here FOB, okay, here EG, PM. These we are using sometimes in short form. Yes, a smallest letter, small letter, lowercase letter, and sometimes okay CPU, that is we are using in capital letter. CLU, CPA, IBM, NRA, CBS, okay, and even CFP. So sometimes we can use the capital letters for the abbreviation. Sometimes we have to use lowercase, means like small letters. Okay. So next here, rule number 12, abbreviation common Latin terms. Suppose common Latin terms we are using here. So here see, etc. dot means what is the mean of the etc. Okay. So what is the mean, and so on. So we can use the abbreviation like that. Even I.E, that is in another or in other words. Next, E.G, that is for example. We are sometimes using EX. No, but exact what is the proper, that is E.G means what, for example. Then here CF dot means compare. NB means note well. ET.AL means and other. So here we have to use these abbreviation, and here the meaning they given. Next, here again some abbreviations are there. We can't use these abbreviation to save our time. Why? Because it should be write in proper format. See, here THRU we can't write. These all are wrong. Here see, if you want to write the through, you have to write through only. October you can't write OCT. Okay, you can't write W. Here, see here, these are the abbreviation. Do not abbreviate words to save the time and space in the format writing. So compulsory you have to write Monday. You don't use this all abbreviations. Directly you have to write full. Okay. Next, the 14th rule. When an abbreviation comes at the end of the sentence, use only one period. Okay. Come in the sentence. At the end of the sentence only you have to use one period. One period means full point. One. And place question mark was there. Then it should be a proper abbreviation. See here, I awoke at 7:15 a.m. Okay, after that full point. Here, did you go to work at 8 a.m. So here question marks you can give, but before that you have to give the full point or period to complete the abbreviation. Next, use S or not S for plural form of abbreviation. Suppose I have many DVDs. So you have to write small s here. You can't write upside giving apostrophe s. No, don't use. Like it's it and apostrophe s we are using. That is correct. But here DVDs we can't give apostrophe s here. So we have to write DVD and small s. Okay. So what is the mean of DVD? Digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Even one more rule is there. Generally, rule for capitalization abbreviations followed the rules for capitalizing the original words. Proper noun are capitalized in the abbreviation. Common noun are not. So sometimes see NAACP, National Association for the Advancement of the Colored People. So this you have to compulsory. You have to use capital letter for that, and sometimes you have to use what? Small, or what we can say here lowercase letters C.O.D. So even you can use FAA, that is capital. So these are all about abbreviation. Dear students, only watch this video and try to understand the rule. Okay, not necessary to write whole things, and remaining exercise I will give you through the WhatsApp. You have to complete it. Okay, these are for extra information. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.